What causes this issues in JavaScript function expressions? Imagine building a puzzle where some pieces fit perfectly, but others seem to be missing or in the wrong place. That's often what happens with JavaScript function expressions. They can cause headaches if you don't understand how they work under the hood. Let's explore what can go wrong and why. First, think about when JavaScript creates these functions. Function expressions are made when the code runs, not before. This is different from function declarations, which are hoisted. Hoisting means JavaScript moves the function declaration to the top during compilation, so you can call it before you write it. But with function expressions, if you try to call the function before assigning it, you get an error. It's like trying to use a tool before you've taken it out of the box. This timing issue is a common cause of bugs. Next, many function expressions are anonymous, meaning they don't have a name. This can make debugging tricky because error messages won't tell you which function caused the problem. If you give your function a name, it helps identify where the issue is. Also, anonymous functions can't refer to themselves internally unless they are stored in a variable. That limits their ability to do recursive tasks. Another issue comes from syntax. Since function expressions are part of an assignment, you need to end the line with a semicolon. Forgetting this semicolon can cause JavaScript to misinterpret your code, leading to syntax errors or unexpected behavior. It's a simple rule, but missing it can cause big problems. When you use immediately invoked function expressions, or ifs, parentheses are key. Wrapping the function in parentheses tells JavaScript it's an expression, not a declaration. If you forget to add these parentheses or place them incorrectly, the engine might think you're trying to declare a function, which causes syntax errors. Proper wrapping ensures your IFE runs right away without issues. The context of how you call a function expression also matters. Regular functions have their own value, which depends on how they are called. If you're not careful, you might end up with this pointing somewhere unexpected, especially in callbacks or asynchronous code. Arrow functions, on the other hand, bind this lexically, meaning they take it from where they are defined. Misunderstanding these differences can lead to bugs that are hard to track down. Lastly, syntax ambiguity can trip you up. Because the word function can start both declarations and expressions, JavaScript needs to know the context. If you try to start a function expression as a statement without wrapping it properly, the parser might get confused. This can cause parsing errors or unexpected behavior. To avoid these issues, always declare your function expressions before calling them. Use named functions if you need to refer to them inside themselves. Wrap your ifs in parentheses. Be mindful of how this works and choose arrow functions when you want lexical this. And don't forget the semicolon after your function expressions. Understanding these causes helps you write cleaner, more reliable code and sidestep common pitfalls with function expressions.